Let's see in this video what a triangle is and its properties and criteria we are following when drawing a triangle as well. A triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles. Besides, the 3 interior angles in every triangle add to 180 degrees put together. When drawing any triangle, we are always following the same criteria. Its sides, that is, the line segments that bound the triangle, are always named with minuscule letters A, B, and C. The vertices of the triangle, where the interior angles are always named using capital letters A, B, and C. The letter for every side is the same as the letter of the opposite vertex, or every vertex has got the same letter as its opposite side. Side A is opposite to vertex and angle A, side B is opposite to vertex and angle B, and side C is opposite to vertex and angle C. Finally, sides and vertices are always named counterclockwise. Let us now see how to classify triangles. Triangles can be classified according to how their sides and angles are with each other, or according to the amplitude of their interior angles. If we classify them according to how their sides and angles are with each other, there are 3 types of triangles. The triangle where every side and every angle is congruent, the triangle where 2 sides are congruent and 2 angles are congruent, and the triangle that has no congruent side nor angle. The triangle that has 3 congruent sides and 3 congruent angles is called an equilateral triangle. Its angles are 60-degree angles, that is, 180 degrees divided into 3. So the equilateral triangle is the 3-side regular polygon. An isosceles triangle is the triangle that has 2 congruent sides and the other non-congruent. It also has 2 congruent angles and the other non-congruent, being the non-congruent angle the one formed by the 2 congruent sides when they meet, and being the non-congruent side opposed to the non-congruent angle. And the triangle that has no congruent side nor angle is a scalene triangle. If we classify triangles according to the amplitude of their angles, there are 3 types of triangles. The acute triangle is the one where every interior angle is less than 90 degrees. The obtuse triangle is the one that has one angle larger than 90 degrees. And the right triangle is the one that has one right angle, that is, a 90-degree angle. Let us point out the elements of a right triangle. The sides that form the right angle are called legs, and the side that is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Let us also see the criteria for naming the elements of any right triangle. The right angle is always named using capital letter A, so the hypotenuse, being its opposite side, is also named using letter A, minuscule in this case. Then, the legs are always named using minuscule letters B and C, and the vertices that bound the hypotenuse are named using capital letters B and C, always remembering to name the elements counterclockwise.